Drums, what are they? What do they do? How do they go on a machine? Nobody knows. That's why I'm here. I'm Matthew with Printing Workshop. I'm gonna show you how to change out a drum in your Xerox AltaLink B8100 series copier. You want me to redo that with a serious one? First thing you're gonna wanna do when changing your drums is you're gonna open the front cover. You wanna locate the waste toner transport assembly, which is this front piece right here. You're gonna wanna unlock it. You wanna depress the tabs on the side, push them in, and then pull straight out on it. You can set this aside for now. Right here is what's called your developer assembly, and it has a latch, and the latch will say R1, R2, R3, R4, and you're gonna lift that latch up. Then you're gonna wanna squeeze the orange button on the end of the drum and pull straight out. You do not want to touch the green surface on the drum. What I like to do is I get my hand under the middle of it and I'll put my thumb up against the left side black plastic piece, and that way I have a good hold of it when it comes out. And that's your drum. And you'll take it and you'll have a guide right here, and that little guide will go into this little slot right here. And once you know you have it installed where it needs to be, you'll slide it right back in. You'll throw down the latch on the developer assembly, and then you'll take your waste toner transport assembly and you'll set it straight in just a little bit. And then I like to take my thumbs and push on both sides evenly at the same time until they both click in, just like that. Then you'll relock it. You'll close the front cover, and you're back in business. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.